Are you struggling to create a bindable property in F# for your Xamarin.Forms project? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to unravel the mystery together. I totally get it. You have your F# and Xamarin.Forms set up, everything seems to be working fine, but then you hit a wall when trying to bind properties in XAML. It's frustrating, right? You're definitely not the only one experiencing this. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked why their bindable property works with static resource, but fails with dynamic resource. They received an error stating that the property does not exist or is not assignable. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So what's going on here? The issue often stems from how F# handles static members. Xamarin.Forms expects a public static field, but F# only allows public static properties. This mismatch can lead to the errors you're seeing. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a crucial tip that can help you avoid these pitfalls in the future. To resolve the issue with the bindable property in F#, the user should first ensure that the properties are defined correctly. This involves using public static fields instead of properties for the bindable property. Next, the user should modify the static member definitions to use fields instead of properties. This change is crucial for Xamarin.Forms to recognize the bindable properties correctly. After adjusting the property definitions, the user should ensure that the properties are accessed correctly in the class. This means using the fields directly when getting or setting values. Finally, the user should test the XAML bindings again. With the updated bindable properties, the dynamic resource bindings should now work without errors. Fun fact, did you know that F# was designed to be a functional first language? It's powerful, but sometimes it can lead to these tricky situations when working with frameworks like Xamarin.Forms. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests that Xamarin.Forms requires a public static field for bindable properties, not a property. The user found this in the Xamarin.Forms source code, which looks for static fields named after the bindable property. They plan to modify their code to accommodate public static properties and are seeking advice on how to submit their changes. Here's the tip I promised. Always check the compatibility of your language features with the frameworks you're using. This can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your bindable property should work seamlessly with both static resource and dynamic resource. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.